Hey Caleb, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 things you could do if you had a website that could help bring in customers to your business. I like to do this because I've found that by showing people some things that they could do for free has resulted in some of those business owners putting their faith in me to help grow their company and make their business more money. So, if at the end of this video you like what you've heard and you can see that I can help you accomplish those goals, shoot me a message back or give me a call and we can get started. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take the plan and implement it and build your own website, that works for me too. So let me not waste any more time and just go over a couple quick tips and tricks that you could start doing if you built your website. So first things first, I just saw that you were in Kingsland, Georgia. So I just simply typed that in, Gutters, Kingsland, Georgia. Obviously, if you go further out and you hit a bigger area, you could get a bigger business, but I just wanted to start really small to see what we've got. So the first competitor is this Satellite Gutters because this is MapQuest and these were Yelp. So I clicked them and this is their website. Nothing too fancy, an easy build, something we could definitely do. Now, what I want to talk about though has nothing to do with the build. It's going to be this. So the first thing is content quantity. So we can see they have almost 500 words. Google released though that they're looking for a minimum of 1,500 words to be fully optimized and compatible within their system. So basically, just by having 1,500 words, you're going to be beating this company in one area that Google's looking for. Now, of course, it's not going to get you to the first page, but it is something that they look at and is like a box checked. Secondly, is that keywords or the content quality is like what we call it. So we can see they have gutters, gutter, guards, estimate, home, satellite, products. Now, you want to make sure that when you're building your content that you're focused on keywords you want to be found for. So for example, gutters Kingsland, gutters Georgia, gutters Atlanta, gutter repair, things like that, or whatever you do. It's because when you type it into Google like I did, it's going to look for those words. Thirdly, and most importantly, is going to be backlinking. So if we look at their website in a tool called Ahrefs, we can see that they have 201 backlinks. And what a backlink is it is a link from one website to another website. And when it does that, it gives that website some of its power. So if site A is linking to site B, then site B is getting some of the power from site A. And Google holds this in the highest regard, and this is how you get to the first page, is this off-site SEO. So if you have the most relevant sites pointing at you, you will be number 1 in Google. So let's real quick talk about what we went over today. First off, we went over the content quantity and how you need 1,500 words of content on that homepage. Secondly, we discussed how important it is to make sure that the content you're using has the words you want to be found for. Thirdly, and most importantly, we talked about backlinks and link juice and how you need to have the most relevant sites point at you to show Google you're the ultimate authority and how you get here in the number 1 spot. Now, if you implement these strategies that we discussed today, there's no doubt in my mind you'll be number 1 across Google. So what now? Well, you can take the information I provided you, build a website, do the SEO, do all the content creation, and be number 1 across Google in probably 6 to 8 months. Or you can give me a call and let a professional help you out and go from there. Either way, it doesn't matter to me. I just want to see small businesses succeed. So I can be reached at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and you can call me at 813-515-3488. Can't wait to hear from you.